In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove viruses or harmful content that may harbor malware on your Google Chrome browser. My name is Isaac and it is a minute with AI. So there are quite a number of steps that you can use to make sure that you are browsing with a safe Google Chrome browser. Now the first method or the first step is to go to these settings and then go to extensions. Under this, select manage extensions. Now, one of the reasons why your Google Chrome browser might be vulnerable is because of the running extensions. Some of them might be running in the background and in the process install malware on your browser or your computer. So you may want to go ahead and identify if you have any extensions that you don't use and then go ahead and remove them. Alternatively, if you know these extensions and you want to keep them, you can just go ahead and turn them off to make them inactive. Alternatively, if you want to remove these extensions, then you can just use the remove option here, and this will go ahead and remove the extension when you tap on remove. And once they are inactive like this, you are assured that there is no background activity that is going on in your Google Chrome browser. So at this point, you should be able to block most of the viruses and most of the harmful content from infiltrating your Chrome browser. Now the second method, go ahead and tap on these three dots again, and then go and look for settings. Now under search settings, just type in restore. And then you'll see these reset settings. Tap on it to open. Now here we can go ahead and restore our browser, and this will eliminate some of the malicious softwares that are on our browser and restore it to its default or to its original status. So if you go ahead and tap on reset, this will go ahead and reset some Chrome settings and Chrome shortcuts. It will also disable Chrome extensions, and it will also delete cookies and other temporary site data. However, bookmarks, history, and saved passwords won't be affected. So go ahead and tap on reset settings. So when you tap on this, it will go ahead and reset the settings, and it is done. And now our browser is clean and it should be free at this moment. To this end, everything now should be okay, but you may just want to go ahead and perform another extra scanning of your computer to remove everything, and you can do this under your settings. So if you go to settings, you can perform the third task by tapping on settings, and this will open your settings, and then look for the option called update and security. Now this will go ahead and look for any update that is available on your computer. Then go ahead and install all the softwares or update your softwares on your computer to the latest versions. Now performing this will require that you are connected to the internet. As you can see, you have to be connected to the internet for you to be able to download and install these updates. So from here, go ahead and tap on download and install, and this will go ahead and give you the latest version of softwares that are available on your computer. So that's how you remove viruses from your Chrome browser and from your computer. So if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.